Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. As you know that I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. As I promised you that in this video we are going to start grammar, English grammar, and that is chapter 6. Okay, our chapter 6 name is nouns, singular and plural. As we already finished chapter 5, that was nouns. Okay, so we are going to start singular and plural. That is very easy lesson, and I hope you will enjoy this lesson. So let's start. Yes, scholars. So before starting singular and plural, let's recall what is noun. So what is noun? As you all know that noun can be called as naming words. Naming words means when we are giving name to a thing, animal, person, place, ideas, whatever. Okay, then it can be called as noun. Let's see one definition. Names of people, places, animal, things, feelings, thoughts, in fact anything which can be named can called as noun. This I told you in previous lesson also. Previous lesson means when we were doing lesson 5th. Okay, so let's see one example. This is a thing. What is this? Milk packet. Okay, so we had given name to this milk. Okay, so milk can be called as noun. This is the name of insect. Ant is an insect. So ant word can be called as noun. Any name, anything which can be named can called as noun. Okay, so let's see what is singular and plural noun. Singular noun. Now what is singular noun? When a noun indicates only one thing, or when we are talking about any one animal, any one person, anything which is one in number, then it can be called as singular noun. Okay, for example, the boy had a baseball in his hand. Okay, so this is the example. Here the boy means we are talking about one boy, right? Had a baseball. A baseball means this boy is having baseball. A baseball means he have only one baseball. So the boy had a baseball in his hand. So here we are talking about number one boy. We are talking about one number, right? Here one baseball. So this one thing we are talking about only one thing. So it means this is singular noun. Okay, the boy, here boy is singular noun. Baseball, here baseball is also singular noun. Why? Because these two things are one in number. Okay, yes. Now let's see what is plural noun. Plural noun. When a noun indicates more than one, it is called a plural noun. Okay, like we were talking about boy, right? In singular noun we were talking about boy. Now let's see one example. Here we are talking about, again we are talking about boy, but this time not only a single boy, we are talking about boys. Many boys are there. So the boys were throwing baseballs back and forth between bases. Okay, we are talking about boys, more than one. We are talking about baseballs, more than one. We are talking about bases, more than one. Okay, so how can we say that these are plural noun? Because we added s here in the main word, in main noun. So when we are adding s, it means we are changing that into plural noun. Okay, plural means what? That can be more than one. Okay, like here in this pot, pencils are there, not a single pencil, more than one pencil. So here these pencils can be called as plural noun. Okay, I hope it's very clear to you because this is very simple thing. Okay, now let's see how can we convert singular noun to how to convert singular noun into plural nouns. Let's see, there are many ways. First of all, by adding s. If we are adding s to any word, then can be changed into plural. Like for example, here girl word is there. We can change girl is singular noun. We are talking about one girl. Girl is singular word. So when we are adding s in this word, we can change it into girls. So girls is a plural noun. Okay. So the way to convert singular to plural is by adding s. By adding es. See scholars, why 5 ways are there? Because everywhere we cannot use this word, this one way. We have to change our ways as per demand of the word. Like let's see this one, country. Here spelling is country. If I will add here s, okay, after y, if I will add s to make it plural, the word which I will get, that word is not existing and that word will be meaningless. So what I have to do, I have to change my ways, I have to change my way and I have to add ies here by removing y. Okay, I will remove y from here and I will add ies to make it plural noun. To make this word plural, I have to add ies and I have to remove y. Okay, then this one by adding es. Here one word fox is there. Okay, how to change this fox into plural? By adding es. No need to make any other changes, just I have to add es. Okay, then here by adding ves. By adding ves, here what I have did, the word is knife. Okay, the word is knife and I remove fe with the help of ves. Okay, many more examples, same type of examples are given in your textbook, in your grammar textbook. So after watching this video, you have to refer your grammar textbook, so these examples will be clear to you and you can solve the exercise which is given in your textbook. Okay, and the last way to change any singular noun into plural is by making some changes to the word itself. Means totally that word you have to change. Like child is a singular word and children is plural word. Mouse is a singular word and mice is plural word. So what we are doing here, we are changing the whole word. We are not just adding s, es, ies. No, we can't convert this singular noun into plural just by adding any letters. So we have to change the whole word here. So this is the another way, and you have to remember these 5 ways. When you are changing, when you are converting singular noun into plural, you have to remember these ways. Okay, on the basis of this, let's start doing exercise of this lesson. Yeah, first exercise, speak aloud the plural form of the words given below. So you have to, here it's given instruction that you have to speak aloud, but after speaking you have to write in your textbook the plural form of the words. Okay, first let's see this one, bus. All of you know that how can we change this bus into plural? By adding es. When we will add es, it will change into plural form. Let's take any other. Okay, let's take city. Okay, city. So how can we change this city into plural? Here last word is y, sorry, last letter is y. So we will remove this y and we will add IES. Okay, so it will change into cities. Okay, in the same way you have to do all these words. In the same way you have to change all these words from singular to plural. Okay, and I hope you will be able to do this. Now let's see another exercise. Yeah, now here what you have to do, rewrite the sentences given below by using the plurals of the highlighted word. Here the words which are highlighted, that words you have to change. Okay, that you have to change into plurals, but here highlighted words are, means in your textbook you will be able to see highlighted words. Here I am just underlining that words which are highlighted in your textbook. So first one, let's take first one. Can you conclude this assignment? This assignment word is highlighted in your textbook. Okay, so this assignment is singular. So how can we change it into plural? This is singular, so we will change it into plural by these. Okay, this means we are talking about any one thing, so we have to make it into plural, so we will change it these. These means बहुत सारे, many. Okay, assignment means we are talking about one assignment, we have to change it into plural, means about many more, so we will change and we will write these assignments. Can you conclude these assignments? Okay, clear? Okay, let's take any other example. Third one, I have not been to that site. I have not been to that site. What you have to change? You have to change that site. That means we are talking about any one thing. Okay, so what you have to do, you will change this into plural. I have not been to those sites. Okay, those sites, both word I am changing. Why? Because both word is highlighted and I have to change both words into plural form. Yes, so rest of the sentence you have to do by yourself, and let's move towards C exercise. Yes, here what you have to do, rewrite the following sentences changing the highlighted words into their singular form. Opposite here we have to do. Here plural forms are given and we have to change that plural forms into singular one. First one, see, are these your sandwiches? Are these your sandwiches? So here highlighted words are these and sandwiches. Okay, so are will change into is, these will change into this, is this your, sandwiches will change into sandwich. Okay, is this your sandwich? Okay, and question mark you have to put. Next let's see last one, seventh one. Are these soldiers on holiday? Are these soldiers on holiday? So what you have to do, same thing, is this soldier on holiday, and question mark. Okay, yes. So scholars, I hope you will be able to understand and you will be able to do all exercise by yourself. Examples I gave and I solved two sentences from each exercise, so it will be easy to you to solve and to write, and you have to write in your textbook, not in any notebook. Okay, and in next video we will start new lesson. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.